Good morning, you guys. Back with another video. Today I'm going to make me some eggs. And I got my grits over here. I need to stir them up, fluff them up. These are my grits, you guys. I'm going to cut them down and let them do what they need to do. Okay. You got to put that lid on that sucker because that hurts. What you doing? You gonna eat me? What you in here for? Okay, you guys, I got my butter here in my pan, so let's get started. Okay, here you go, you guys. I added a little turkey in here, a few olives. Now I'm gonna add a little black pepper and some onion powder. Just a little bit of this. Not really much. I'm almost out. I've been writing a grocery list and a little seasoning, garlic salt. So that's about it. It's coming along pretty good. And I have half a slice of cheese. I'm going to put in here. If I can get it out this pack. You know, I told you guys I had a sinus infection. And that had me down for like a week and a half, almost 2 weeks. I haven't had a sinus infection in a couple of years. And it had me down for a while. Okay. I'm gonna cut my fire down on here. I'm just making me like a little omelet and a few grits. It comes along pretty well. And like I said, I had a sinus infection, and those things are nasty. And add just a little bit more water in here. Shake it up. And I just finished washing dishes and stuff and mopping, washing, because I'm really backed up on a lot of things that I need to be doing because I wasn't feeling well. And I still have my lemon over here. And for dinner today, let me show you guys what I'm cooking. You all see that? I just put them on probably around 10:30, so they has a ways to go. I'm making pinto beans and I'm using smoked turkey meat. So they just got started, so I have to continue to season them. And that got a while to cook because that meat has to get tender. But this is one of the things I put in my beans, chili powder. This house smells so good. That's what gives it that pretty color. Okay. So we're going to continue on so that meat can be covered before it can cook. So they probably won't be cooked done for a while. And I had me some jiffy cornbread, so that's going to be cooking for a while. Let's come over here and check this omelet out. Ooh, look at that cheese. I like mine with a slightly color of brown on here. Yes. Let me turn this thing over. I can't. I'm sorry, y'all. Got the camera everywhere. Yeah, the brown I like under there. I just put a little turkey in here. Like I said, olives. I'm going to put a little sour cream on it when it's done. I had some jalapenos, but I didn't feel like being bothered with that spicy right now. And of course, you guys, my coffee. So I'm going to sit and try to enjoy breakfast, because I haven't really been enjoying my meals because I was sick. So I'm on the men's now. I got a lot of stuff to play catch up. Now I just have to vacuum my bedroom and everything. But I'm going to take a break now. So I thank you guys for watching. And this omelet looks so good. I'm going to sprinkle a little parsley on here. And I'm going to get ready to eat and watch a little television. Then I got to get right back to work around the house. So I'm preparing. I have a spring break coming up, you guys. Okay. So here's my omelet. And I thank you guys for watching and for supporting me. And I will be back with another video. Bye-bye now.